Sometimes when you're looking at the answer choices for sentence equivalency, one word is going to jump out as the exact word you're looking for. But when this happens, you want to be careful. Because sometimes when there's this one perfect word, it doesn't actually have a synonym. This will tend to be an easier word. We talked before about how pseudo-synonyms tend to distract you and trick you because they're easier and you gravitate toward them. This is another instance where gravitating toward the easier word and trying to make it fit could be a mistake. So let's look at an example. And I want you to look at this carefully, see if you can spot that perfect non-synonymous word and successfully avoid it, and see if you can select the correct answers. So pause the video, and then we'll come back and look at this a bit more closely. Welcome back. Now we're going to let this take up a whole slide so we can really look at it in depth. So the Prime Minister quit, resigned from their position, just as multiple exposés were about to be published. So multiple articles, presumably about the Prime Minister, exposing something about the Prime Minister were about to be published. So if the Prime Minister resigns right before these big pieces are about to be published about him, then there's speculation. People are guessing that the Prime Minister had done a certain kind of thing. Well, if the Prime Minister is about to be exposed, and being exposed by something makes him want to quit, maybe he did something horrible, and that's going to jump out at you. It's the first answer choice, and it fits so well. But horrible means absolutely bad, the worst, just truly alarming. It's a strong word, and it doesn't have any other equals in the answer choices. So that is actually perfect, but without a synonym, so in fact, not the correct answer. So how do we get to the correct answer? Well, we do see undiscoverable. Well, not only does that lack a synonym, it actually contradicts the context where something is going to be discovered and exposed. We then see banal and commonplace, and these are synonyms, but something absolutely ordinary wouldn't be something worthy of being published, so that doesn't match the context. And that leaves us with unseemly and improper. And horrible is distant enough from those to not really be synonymous with them. Unseemly and improper, however, are absolutely synonymous with each other. That something was done that was wrong, not something fitting or right for a Prime Minister to do. So the correct answers are B and F. And you really need to remember as you review horrible that as nice as it looks, if the word might otherwise work, but there's no synonym, it's simply wrong.